on Nature Watch.
And Ellen this time.
And a new addition to the show. This leaf.
No, it's all black so you can't see anything, but...
These leaves are adapted to its adaptations and habitats.
see a thing.
They have drip tips.
Drip tip for the rainforest, don't
So
forget.
that the rain falls off.
They're waxy so that the water falls off them.
They have bendy trunks so that the wind doesn't blow them over in the windy season.
Look, we can see a fire. Let's go, gang. Gang, let's go.
What's that? I see
I see
careful
you.
of the thorns. Investigate the human.
Oh,
vigorous nature.
It's a bonfire.
It's a bonfire. Here are the tribal people. Be careful of the
Because
tribal
you need that tobacco. Gimme.
Tribal people, be
Why the
careful.
fuck
The tribal people.
Oi, where? It won't light otherwise. Oi, give me
What's
the...
your name?
Let's go.
Let's go!
Okay. I think this is enough for episode 1. Are we done with episode 1? Are we done with episode 1?
What vodka?
Episode 1 is over.